Hey everybody, it's Michael here at Speedy Ts Printing, and today we're going to talk about printing hoodies and adhesive in the best method that we found, and this works fantastic for us. So typically when you're printing on a hoodie, you're going to use a dry web adhesive. These are really good, but the problem with them is they're really messy too, and you'll find that if you use this too much, you have to really change those palette tapes often. What we like to do, we use this here, it's called tack. We got a gallon jug of this for about 50-60 bucks at FH & Sons out in Etobicoke, and we reapply adhesive, a generous amount, just before we do a hoodie job, and you'll find that you can actually get through 2 or 3 hoodies before you have to scrub and reheat your palettes to get your adhesive to activate again. This is one of our tips and tricks for printing hoodies here at Speedy Ts. Hope it helps you out if you try to use it.